2 minutes, guys. Ading didn't do anything. She's busy. Are you busy with there? Oh, it's wrong. So, Jilana, where are we gonna put this one? This is like the the size of your bedroom, Jilana. Are you gonna? That's a lot of work earlier. Oh my goodness. Oh, here the standing one hand. Yeah. No, the standing that one. No, this. Oh, really? Oh, oh, you need to be even. Oh, wow. It's even now. Oh, whose idea is that? Bring it here, the box. Bring the box here. Oh, I thought there's a car. Okay. Yeah. I thought there's a car now. Ah. Oh, wow. Ganun pala siya. Oh, Jilana, see, there's a sticker here on top. Oh, oh. But on top, there's a little tiny sticker. Jilana, Jilana, come here. I'll show you. Oh, Jilana, here. See those thingy? It goes there. This one on the elevator. Yeah, only one. Okay, let's go upstairs now. Yeah, you can bring up the girls now. Daddy can bring you upstairs now, guys. Come on. Okay, so you have to leave there now. Ah, honey, how about this? Where this goes? Hulk. Love you. Did you save some, anak? I like it. You're so pretty. I love you. Hey, can I have that? Really? Wow. There's nothing on the. Okay, let's go, Jelana, upstairs. See that. Do it tomorrow. I love you. Okay, come on. You're almost done. Okay. Okay, one more last.